Albert Luna here. We're going to do a review today on the Edge. This is my assistant, Nayeli.
Hi.
We're going to answer a few questions about the work right that were asked from a few people. One of the questions we got asked about this light that I did a review on yesterday, being Friday. I am going to compare the lights when I do a review for the Work Light 2 between this one and the other one. That'll be in 3 weeks. That's scheduled for 3 weeks. Somebody asked if it sinks. I don't know because I don't want to try it because it is impact and water resistant, not waterproof. Therefore, I don't want to test it if it sinks. All it means is when it's water resistant that if it rains, it's not going to go bad, or if you drop a little bit of water on it, or if there's water on the floor and you drop it and you pick it up, it'll be fine, but it's not waterproof. Therefore, if it sinks, you're pretty much going to lose the light. So that answers that question. The weight on it is not a lot. Actually, it's very, very light. It's less than a pound, that's for sure, because it does carry batteries. So it's pretty light. It is pretty light indeed. Let's see here. Another question. The running time is about 5 hours, constant running, depending on the type of battery. Again, these are not rechargeable batteries. What I'd recommend is if you do buy one, to buy rechargeable batteries. These are just regular batteries. Now, somebody asked about the Work Light 2. I will give a review on that one. Let's see. Let me go to Hall. Hall, you asked a question in regards to the blast. Yeah, you are changing the batteries too much. If you're changing them every month, it is way overkill. Every 6 months, you're good. Even if you do 8 months, you're still good within that year. So don't change the batteries every month. It's overkill. And by the way, welcome. Thank you. So let's get to the Edge. Here it is. The Edge, there is 3 lights that are called the Edge. One is the Edge 50, the Edge 90, and the Edge 200. All that means is the lumens. So there's 50, 90, and 200. Obviously, 200 being the brightest one. The Edge is pretty awesome. It is water and impact resistant. It is not rechargeable. It takes regular 1 AA battery. 1 AA battery, that's it. But it's pretty bright for how small it is. This one is the Edge 90, so it's 90 lumens compared to the other one. This front piece, which is a pretty cool piece, if you can zoom in or come in on that, it comes off if you choose to. And you can have it like that, with or without it. But since today is going to be a cool video, this is supposed to be like a defense mechanism in case you're out in the street and somebody, wants to attack you. This can actually be a pretty handy tool, and that's what it's meant to do. So here today we have a watermelon, and we're going to have Nayeli strike the watermelon a few times and see what damage it does. You ready, Nayeli? Go ahead and strike it as hard as you can. Go ahead. Yeah. Boom. Hard. Go hard. Like you mean it. There you go. Okay, now do one full strike right here. Just a hard one. Use your power. No. Use your power. 1 strike. Like you're mad. Go. Okay, so, it's you can see coming from Nayeli, who's, how old are you, Nayeli?
8.
She's 8 years old, so she did a little bit of damage. If you look down here, the reason why I'm using a watermelon, by the way, is because it's close to human skin when it comes to fruit, and also oranges are closest to human skin, in case you guys didn't know. I was going to use pork, but I didn't feel the need that, they not want to eat, and, you don't want none of that. So anyway, as you can see, look at that. That's a beautiful round hole right there. The light obviously still works here. Oh, but there's a strobe on that, by the way. There's a strobe on that light, and then that's your solid. So it only has 2 functions as far as the light. Now, we're going to move on over here. And this is not Nevo's suggestion, by the way. Some people are saying that you might be able to break glass with this. Nevo is not suggesting that. We're just going to try out to see if it's true. Here's a piece of glass right here. This is to replace a window. I got this at Home Depot, and I'm not promoting Home Depot. I'm not fond of Home Depot, but that's besides the point. And so this is supposed to replace a glass from your house. a window from a house. Now, granted, the windows from the cars are a little bit stronger, they're a little bit thicker, but nevertheless, we're going to see how it works. Nayeli, go ahead and, so you don't cut yourself, you're only going to strike it 2 times. Which hand are you going to use? This hand? Okay. You're only going to strike it twice, okay? Safety first. She's wearing gloves and she's wearing glasses. She's wearing double the gloves. Okay, you're there? Okay, so you're going to strike that as hard as you can, as safe as you can, okay? However you can, just don't cut yourself. Go ahead, Nayeli, it's all you. No, yeah, you're supposed to strike it with the front. Okay, good. Okay, so that's not really what I wanted to do. Now, this is not being edited, so keep that in mind. I'm going to try to hit it myself, see if how good this is. We didn't want this to break because obviously there's stress right here. We didn't want that to happen. We wanted to see if she was able to break it here. She did a very little damage. It was more of a scratch. But I'm going to try to hold this and give me one of the gloves. As I said, safety first. By the way, the glasses that I'm wearing, they are OSHA approved. They're Z. What was it? These are Z94s. OSHA approves as Z74s. So these are extra safe. Just for the extra information there. Let me do this hand here. I'm going to do 1 strike. Okay, 1 solid strike. 1 solid strike, and it just devour that thing. Okay, so if you're driving, if you have this and you're stuck, you can probably hit your window 2-3 times and it'll break for you to escape. So it does live up to its, from what I've been told, its reputation. And let's see if the light still works. Yeah, the light's still working, still on. Let's look at the scroll. And the button's in the back, so you have to just turn it on and then lightly tap it, and it turns to the stroking motion. In any case, back over here, please, again, I'm doing the drawings. I actually have a special, I'm going to do a special video tomorrow. Tomorrow I am going to show a flashlight that has it's a stun gun and a taser, or I should say it's a stun gun. Or wait, it's a flashlight. But then I said stun gun, so it's not a gun. It's a flashlight it's like a taser. Okay, it's going to be an awesome video. You guys are going to like it. I am going to do a drawing tomorrow, so please put your name under the subscription so you can enter that drawing. So far, there's only 3 people, so people need to sign up for them to be in the drawing tomorrow. And also, I have an extra gift, courtesy of Santa Clara Lighting. They gave me some gifts for me to give to you guys. So along with what you win tomorrow, you're going to have those extra gifts. Anyway, like the videos, subscribe, sign up, and don't forget to hit that little bell reminder or notifier so you know if you win. Thank you, and say goodbye.
Bye. Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.